AbramsX in 2026, the silent revolution of American armor. In the battlefield of tomorrow, silence isn't weakness, it's dominance. For decades, the Abrams main battle tank has been the steel spearhead of American ground forces, a roaring beast unmatched in power and battlefield endurance. But as warfare evolves, so must the warrior. In 2026, the United States unveils its next-generation evolution of armored warfare, the AbramsX. This is not just a tank. This is a revolution on treads, a futuristic predator born from necessity, technology, and a deep understanding of the modern battlefield. Gone is the thunderous roar of turbine engines. The AbramsX is powered by a cutting-edge hybrid diesel-electric propulsion system, allowing it to operate in near silence, drastically reducing its acoustic and thermal signature. In an era where drones scan the skies and satellites track heat signatures, stealth is no longer an option, it's survival. This new hybrid system offers 50% greater fuel efficiency, making the AbramsX more logistically flexible, lighter on supply chains, and capable of deeper penetration into hostile territory with fewer resupply stops. Raw firepower is no longer enough. The AbramsX is built around a smart fire control core, powered by artificial intelligence. This allows for automatic threat recognition, real-time targeting solutions, and instantaneous fire corrections even while moving at high speed over uneven terrain. Its upgraded XM360 120mm smoothbore gun is compatible with next-gen smart munitions, high-pressure projectiles, and programmable rounds, giving it the ability to destroy a wide range of targets: tanks, bunkers, drones, or even helicopters. The battlefield has become a web of sensors, drones, and autonomous units. The AbramsX doesn't just fit into this network. It becomes a hub. Equipped with 360-degree panoramic cameras, augmented reality crew helmets, and a full suite of battlefield networking tools, AbramsX enables its crew to see, think, and act faster than ever. The tank can link with UAVs, robotic reconnaissance units, and other manned platforms to share data in real time. This is not just about killing faster, it's about surviving longer. The AbramsX features active protection systems (APS), capable of intercepting incoming RPGs and ATGMs. Its armor is modular, meaning it can be swapped or upgraded in the field depending on the threat environment: urban, desert, jungle, or Arctic. Internally, crew stations are redesigned with digital interfaces, improved ergonomics, and autonomous backup controls. It's not just a tank, it's a digital cockpit for armored warfare. The AbramsX isn't just reacting to the future, it's shaping it. Built to operate alongside robotic wingmen, AI commanders, and drone swarms, it blurs the lines between manned and unmanned warfare. And yet, it maintains the essence of what makes a tank terrifying: the ability to appear out of nowhere, strike with crushing force, and disappear before the enemy can react. In a world where every second counts and every sound can give away your position, AbramsX doesn't roar, it whispers. But when it does strike, the enemy won't hear it coming. This is not the old war machine of Desert Storm. This is AbramsX, the silent hunter, the AI-enhanced predator, the steel embodiment of America's 21st century war doctrine. In 2026, the future doesn't knock. It rolls in with AbramsX,